If you're looking for a free text-to-speech solution, you might want to check this out. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech with a free desktop app. We'll create a service account, download a JSON file, and load over 2,000 voices. We'll also export an MP3 file with just a few clicks. First, let's take a look at Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. It offers some really high-quality voices. Google Cloud is currently one of the best text-to-speech services worth using right now, although its voices aren't quite as expressive as 11 Labs. Most of its models already work extremely well for text-to-speech generation. Google Cloud is also extremely fast. A request usually takes only about 5 seconds, which is really fast. Here's its pricing for 2026 with a very generous free allowance, so in most cases each month, you can simply use the free tier without paying anything. I think I have the Google WaveNet limit wrong here. Now it only includes 1 million characters. It has been reduced to 1 million characters per month. Keep in mind that 1 million characters is a lot. It can provide around 16 to 17 hours of speech, as you can see here. Standard includes up to 4 million free characters, and some other voices such as Studio and Chirp 3 HD sound extremely natural. You can consider using them. I already have a desktop application like this. First, you need to get a JSON file like this. To get this JSON file, you first need an international payment card linked to your Google account. I won't cover that step here. I'll only show you how to create the project. Go ahead and create a project. After creating the project, I'll select the project for Google Text-to-Speech. Once you've selected the project, you'll be taken to the main screen like this. Click Billing. You'll need to enable billing instead of using only a free account, because if billing isn't enabled, you won't receive the free usage allowance shown here. After selecting the project, you'll return to the main screen. You need to enable billing to receive the monthly free character allowance. Now, click Billing. After opening Billing, click Go to Linked Billing Account, then select Manage Billing Account. After opening Billing, you'll see the project we just created. Your account needs to be linked like this. If billing isn't enabled on your account, you won't be able to create and use credentials. Okay, after creating the project, search for the Cloud Text-to-Speech API. Then click Enable. Once that's done, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Next, go to Credentials. After opening Credentials, click Manage Service Accounts, then create a service account. You can give it any name, then click Create and Continue. Next, choose a permission for this demo. I'll select Owner, then click Done. Once that's finished, you'll have a service account like this. Click on it. Go to the Keys section. Here you'll create a key. Select Add Key, then create New Key. Choose JSON and click Create. Once the download is complete, you'll have a JSON file like this. Next, go to my YouTube page and open this link. I'll put it in the description. Click Copy. Then go to a folder, right-click, and select Open in Terminal, then run git clone. Run git clone and press Enter. It will create a folder. AI Flog. Open it and you'll see something like this. Then open the README file. In the README file, scroll to this section and run these two commands. The first command will install the required libraries. Once that's finished, run this command. After it starts, you'll see an interface like this. Once the dependencies are ready, upload the JSON file you just downloaded. After uploading it, you'll get access to around 2066 voices across 83 languages. You can try them here. You can switch to the Vietnamese interface, select Vietnamese, or click the three-dot menu here to choose other options. As I mentioned, Google provides a free allowance like this, so you can use these limits as a guide. You can search for this keyword to find the details. Notice that Standard includes up to 4 million characters. I'd personally recommend using Neural 2 and Polyglot regularly. These two voice families sound very natural. Chirp 3 HD, however, has a small issue here. I'll test English US again. Once everything is done, you'll have an output folder like this.
Generate speech in English, Vietnamese, and other languages.
Once it's generated, I now have an MP3 file. You can also adjust the pitch here to change how the voice sounds, or adjust the speed and volume below. Now, I'll demo a few voices for you. Here's standard and then WaveNet.
Generate speech in English, Vietnamese, and other languages.
Be good. Now I'll switch to studio so you can hear it.
Generate speech in English, Vietnamese, and other languages.
Sounds extremely natural, right? If you want to check out the application's source code, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you just want to try it quickly without configuring Google Cloud, you can also use TTS for free directly. When you use the website, go to Text-to-Speech, then select Google. Google includes all of these voice families. Here, you can listen to voice samples. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.